Animals. They're beautiful, cuddly, and delicious. But beneath this cute, nutritious exterior lurks an unspeakable evil. From earliest times, animals have shown themselves to be absolute shits. And while humans have tried to show understanding to our animal friends, their untamable savagery endures. In 1960, right-wing bulls attacked a crowd of peaceful Spaniards enjoying a barbecue. Fortunately, authorities were able to corral the beasts into a local stadium, where they were humanely tortured and killed. Even today, the depths of animal depravity still sicken us all, whether it's rapist cats or prostitute tropical birds. A number of methods have been put forward for dealing with the animal menace, like firing chimps at the sun, or napalming mutton birds. We must ensure that human decency and goodness prevail against these furry perverts, to ensure the safety of future generations.